أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed, and inshallah in this class we are going to start the second part of Suratul Bayyina. So before starting this surah, if you didn't subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English, so please subscribe it and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos. Let us start now. I will read first. You have to repeat after me. If you have any kind of question, please leave a message under this video. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. سورة البينة مدنية. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إن الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب والمشركين في نار جهنم خالدين فيها أولئك هم شر البرية. In the inna ladina, on the noon there is a shad sign. We make gunna. Ladina, that we read softly, and we long also due to yamadda here. Ladina kafaru, ra we read in heavy sound, and also we long here due to waw madda. Kafaru min ahlil. After the noon sakin, the next letter is hamza, so we make izhar halaqi, and we make the clear sound of noon into nose without gunna, and we say min ahlil kitabi wal mushrikina. Ki we long due to yamata here. Wal mushri, ra we read in light sound. Wal mushrikina. Fi, here is yamada, we are longing. Fi nari, noon also we long due to alif madda. Ra we read in light sound due to kasra under the ra. Fi nari jahannama, on the noon there is a shad sign, so we make gunna. Jahannama khalidina, kha we long due to standing fatha on it. Di we long due to yamadda. Similarly fiha, there is yamadda in the fi, and ha there is alif madda, and then there is a stop sign, so we say khalidina fiha. Ulaika, after the dhamma there is waw, but this is not waw madda, because for waw madda there should be sukun sign on the waw, and then there will be dhamma, but right now there is only dhamma before the waw, but there is no any sign like a sukun sign on the waw. That's why this is not waw madda, so we do not long, we only say u. Lam we long due to standing fatha on it and the mad sign, which is the big mad sign, and that mad is called madde muttasil, because after the madda letter, which is the standing fatha, as you know the standing fatha is equal to alif madda, so we can say this is alif madda here, and after the alif madda there is the next letter is hamza here, so this is hamza is coming in the same word. So after the madda letter, if hamza comes in the same word, that is madde muttasil, so we long 3 to 5 seconds. Ulaika hum sharrul. After the meme sakin, the next is sheen. We make izhar shafawi, like hum, sharrul. Ra we read in heavy sound, bariyah. Here ra we read in light sound, and then when we make stop here, so this ta becomes ha, and then this kasra we skip also, and we put a sukun sign here for stop. So we say hum sharrul bariyah. And the next is innal ladhina amanu wa amilus salihati ulaika hum khairul bariyah. Again in innal ladhina there is a shadda sign on the noon. We make gunna. Ladhina zal we read softly and we long due to ya madda. Amanu we are longing due to standing fatha on it. Nu we are longing due to waw madda. Amanu wa amilus. Lam we connect directly with the sad. There is not waw madda because there is no any sukun sign on the waw. That's why we connect lam directly with the sad due to shad sign on the sad. Wa amilus. And also we long this sad salihati. How we long due to standing fatha again. So there is a lam alif sign is coming, which meaning don't stop here. That's why we are continuing here. Wa amilus salihati ulaika. There is again madde muttasil. Hum khairul. After the meme sakin, the next is kha is harish shafawi. We make the clear sound of meme. Hum khairul. Kha we read in heavy sound. There is a ya lean. We read softly. Ra again we read in heavy sound. Khairul bariyah. And the next jazaa'uhum inda rabbihim jannatu adnin tajri min tahtihal anharu khalidina fiha abada radiyallahu anhum waradu anhu dhalika liman khashiya rabbah. So jazaa'uhum, there is again madde muttasil after the madda letter, which is alif here. On the alif madda you can see mad sign, and after the madda letter the next is hamza in the same word. So this is madde muttasil. We long 3 to 5 seconds. Jazaa'uhum. After the meme sakin, the next is ain. We make izhar shafawi. Inda. After the noon sakin, the next is dal. So we make ikhfa here. Inda rabbihim. Rabb we read in heavy sound. Again here is izhar shafawi. Rabbihim jannatu. Jannatu we make gunna on the noon due to shad sign on the noon, and also we long jannatu. Adnin tajri. Adnin on the dal we make qalqala. Neo tajri. After the tanween, the next letter is ta, which is one of from 15 ikhfa letters. So we make ikhfa here. We hide the sound of noon. Ad neo taj. Ad neo taj. On the jim we make kalqala again. Re we long due to yamadda, and also ra we read in light sound. Tajri. Mio tahti. Again here is ikhfa after the noon sakin. The next letter is ta. Tahti hal. Ha we connect with the lam. Anharu. After the noon sakin, the next letter is hana, which is one of from total letters. So we make izhar halaqi here. We make the clear sound of noon without gunna. Anharu. Ra we read in heavy sound. Kha we read in heavy sound again. Khalidina. Dal we long due to yamadda. Fiha. Fi we long due to yamadda. Ha we long due to alif madda. And also there is mad sign, little mad sign on the alif, because after the madda letter, which is alif here, the next letter is hamza, is coming in the beginning of the next word, which is abada. Fiha is the one word, abada is the second word, and that's why we make il madde munfasil here. We long 3 to 4 seconds. Fiha abada. And when we stop here, so the one fatha we read here, because when double fatha comes on the stop place and you want to stop, so one fatha you have to skip and one fatha will be there, and then it will be alif madda, right? So we say abada. Radiyallahu. Ra we read in heavy sound, dad also in heavy sound, ya connect with the lam. With the name of Allah, so before the name of Allah there is fatha on the ya, we read heavy sound. On the name of Allah, anhum, again izhar halaqi on the noon. Anhum. On the mim izhar shafawi. Waradu. Ra read in heavy sound, do long due to waw madda. An. Again here is izhar halaqi. After the noon sakin, the next letter is ha, which is one of from 6 throttle letters. And when we stop here, so there will be sukun sign on the ha, and then we say an. Dhalika, zal we read softly, we long. Liman khashiya. Again izhar halaqi. Khashiya rabbah. And now we say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. إن الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب والمشركين في نار جهنم خالدين فيها أولئك هم شر البرية إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات أولئك هم خير البرية جزاؤهم عند ربهم جنات عدن تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها أبدا رضي الله عنهم ورضوا عنه ذلك لمن خشي ربه. So I hope you understand this surah. We've completed this Suratul Bayyinah. If you like this video, click on the like button and share with your friends. Inshallah, see you in the next class with the new surah. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.